Hey guys, and welcome to the Review Millennial channel. In this video, I will be showing you how you can add this sort of title over here under your your name on Instagram. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your profile. You're going to go and press these three lines and go to settings. And then you are going to go to account and go down and switch to professional account. And you're just going to press continue, 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 continue until you get this, what best describes you. This is the part where you want to search for the category you're in, for instance, and you want to display on profile if you want to add that title. There is personal blog, product or service, gamer, restaurant, beauty cosmetics and beauty cosmetic and personal care, supermarket or convenience store, photographer, shopping and retail, or video creator. So I'm just going to just choose blogger for this one. Or there's also artist, musician, and band. There's actually more. And you're just going to press done and switch to a professional account. Switching to a professional account makes your profile public. Anyone will be able to see your photos and video on Instagram. You will no longer need to approve followers. Any pending follower requests will be automatically approved. Press OK and gotta wait for it to load. And now I have this blogger title on my Instagram page. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!